Hello, I am Ji-Eun Lee. This patient has severe patellofemoral osteoarthritis, and a loose body is visible in the suprapatellar area. On the MRI, a large loose body is located in the suprapatellar bursa, also known as the suprapatellar recess or suprapatellar pouch. In most people, about 85%, the suprapatellar bursa communicates with the knee joint. Upon closer inspection, we noticed that a partial suprapatellar plica trapped this osteochondral body in the suprapatellar recess. Now, a symptomatic suprapatellar plica is a relatively rare occurrence, often associated with inflammation triggered by either an acute or repetitive injury. It has been speculated that repetitive mechanical stimuli on the patellar articular surface, along with impingement of the membrane between the condyle and the patella, could be potential etiological factors. The situation in the case we're discussing today is somewhat unique. As you can see, a complete or partially open plica can compartmentalize the suprapatellar bursa, leading to a palpable mass and pain from trapped fluid. This condition may also trap loose bodies, exacerbating the patient's symptoms further. It's important to note that a complete septum plica can obscure the visualization of the joint space during arthroscopy, potentially hiding conditions like intraarticular bodies. Thank you for watching. If you found my video helpful, please remember to like it.